a video for ICT-355-555 Systems Analysis and Design. The Group Business Case Project, Project Interval 1 Assessment. This assessment document, which is linked under the group project page for each project interval, is what your group and your instructor will utilize to assess the completion of the project interval itself. These assessment documents outline all deliverables you are being asked to create, start, and complete for each project interval. All of the deliverables you are being asked to complete are described in detail in a video that's linked also on the group project page called The Business Case. Use this as a guide when you're working on your project. So what's in Project Interval 1? Project Interval 1 is where your group is going to determine which company or enterprise you are going to utilize for your business case. There's a video available on the project group page called Selecting Your Company that will help guide your group in selecting the enterprise, whether it's real or fictitious or a combination, for your group business case. This is something that you will complete within Project Interval 1. You'll also be asked to create the structure and develop in your group wiki on your SharePoint site for your CRM business case development. The sections that you will be creating are outlined in this document. You'll have a revision history section that has two different revision histories, one for the business case itself and the changes that you're making on your SharePoint site, and another one for the development that you will be doing within the CRM system. You will create the structure for the executive summary. You are not being asked to complete the executive summary section, just creating the structure out on your SharePoint site. You'll also create the structure for about the consulting company, which is your group, and there is an emphasis on the completion of this section. Again, refer to the business case video for more information about what should be included in this section. Same thing about the engaging company. So once your team has selected what the engaging company is, you will be asked to complete this section, including an overview of the company's departments and areas, the engaging company's vision, again, emphasis on completion, the engaging company's objectives, again, emphasis on completion, the engaging company's IT needs, and emphasis again on completion of this, and this should include the current technology environment as well as their future vision, goals, and objectives for their technology environment. All of these items are described in detail in the business case video. You'll also be asked to finish the structure of the SharePoint site by adding in a section for CRM planning, so again, just creating the structure for these items, a systems analysis section, a CRM systems design section, which includes the requirement sections, and a CRM system implementation section, as well as creating the structure for the glossary of terms. If you already have terms that you have identified as you're completing the About the Company sections, please ensure that you're adding those to the glossary of terms. Again, this interval assessment document is available on the group project page, and your group and your instructor should be utilizing this as a checklist for what will be completed for each interval. There are several resources available for your group to use when working on your group project intervals. I've already mentioned a few, but here's a slide that has some of the resources available to you. You have a video for project overview. You have your textbook readings of chapter 1, which align nicely to this project interval. You have an example of the completed business case in a PDF format. You have a video of the business case, which again goes through all of the details of each of the sections that you'll be asked to complete with this business case. A video for selecting the company, and then you do always have your instructor to ask questions to as well to clarify things. What to expect after the interval. You will receive feedback on your interval submission from your instructor. You will receive a pass or fail grade. If you receive a fail grade and you have made an effort for the interval, you will have the opportunity to revise, which is continuous improvement, and resubmit to your instructor. It's your group's responsibility, though, to communicate to your instructor if you are going to submit revisions for reassessment. If you receive a pass grade, your group should be utilizing the feedback received to continually improve your business case in preparation for the final project submission in Project Interval 7.